Hello friends, welcome to another video from programming tutorial channel. In this video I want to solve the question number 4.30. The question is here, it's about planetary numbers. I have pasted the question here. Let's start solving. First of all, we have some integer variables, int, number, comma, digit. Now we must initialize the number equal to 0 and digits equal to 0. We also now let's start a while loop. Digits is not equal to 5, then the loops start. Number equals to input dot next, and so let's start let's have scanner class. Now we are scanning here a number. Now let's check if it is 5 digit or not. If the number is less than 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. If the number is less than 100,000, then this is the first 6-digit number. If it is the number is less than this number, then the number might be a 5-digit number. Now if number is greater than 1, 2, 3, 4, this is the last 4-digit number. Greater than this number will be a 5-digit number. If the number is greater than this number, it might be a 5-digit number. Now print that, digit equals to 5, else enter a 5-digit number. And the else of this, else enter a 5-digit number. Now let's check the digits. Digit 1 is equals to number divided by 10,000, and digit 2 is equals to number module 10,000 this divide to thousands. Now digit 4 is equals to number module 10,000 divide by module 1000 again module 100 and divide to 10, and digit 5 is equals to number module 10,000 module 1000 module 100 module 10. Now we have the digits, so let's compare. If digit 1 is equals to digit 5, equals to, and if digit 2 is equals to digit 4, then print that the number is plus number plus is a palindrome. So I think it's finished. Let's check the output. Let's first explain this, how this program works. And first of all, this numbers digits and numbers are 0. Here the program starts from here. Digits is not equal to 5, it is always true, so it comes to inside the loop. It will ask enter a 5-digit number. The number the user enter a number which will be stored in the number. This number, if this number is less than 100,000, this is the first 6-digit number. Less than this number will be a 5-digit numbers. So if this condition comes true, then it will check again if it is a greater than 9999. This is the last 4-digit number. The greater than this number will be a 5-digit number, so then it will the digits will be initialized 5, will get the value of 5, else the system will tell you that enter a 5-digit number. And here this is the else of this if it is asking that if this condition comes false, then it will tell you that enter a 5-digit number. So now we need digit 1, 2, 4 and 5. We don't need the digit number 3. So we are getting here the digit number 1. A 5-digit number divided by 10,000 will have the will remain the first digits. So, and also the same case for digit 2, 3 and 4. So now we are only comparing the digit 1 and 5. If the 1 and 5 comes true, then it will check the number digit 2 and 4. If these two condition comes true, then the number will be a palindrome number. Otherwise the number is not a palindrome number. So let's check it. First of all, I want to enter a correct value. Now let's check it. 1 2 3 2 1 is a palindrome number. Let's run it again. It is not a palindrome number. Let's check what is the output. Not a palindrome number. So let's enter a wrong input. 1 2 3. This is a wrong input. It's asking that enter a 5-digit number. Please enter a 5-digit number. And this number is not a palindrome. So the output is correct. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel to get my next videos. Thank you.